Thank you. Hi. Meow. Hi, doing Miss. What's up? Mm. Enjoy. Mm. Enjoy Poland. Good morning. Yeah. Yeah. Meow. One, two, three. One, zero, one, two, three, four, actually. Four. One to four. I forgot a part. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. The entire name appears 3 times. Meow. Hi, kitties. Hi, all of them. How are you? Mm. Let's see. Oh, girl. Same as before. Right, we just want the first letter gone. The first letter. Let me start at 1 and end at length of name. Ah. Meow. No, there is no such button, random cat. There's no button. Don't look at the button. Meow. Let's see. Five, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should work. Oh, let's see. Jimmy. Oh, I forgot. This punctuation. Let's see. Let me think. Plus. No, my brain hurts. Want a name? Jimmy. Actually, can I just rewrite these? Yes, I can. Who's gonna stop me? Nobody's gonna stop me. It's up to me. Oops. Going. Meow. Meow. I think this one is fine. Close. Yay. Okay, but technically I already did the other ones. I did math and loops, so I can move on to 8. Hey, random cat. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome. A naughty kitty. This lesson consists of several exercises that combine the different skills you learned in previous lessons. Why is it green also? Is that just a YouTube default or do I have control of that? Is that up to YouTube? Allegedly. Meow. Write a program that takes a single input line of the form number 1 plus number 2, where both of these represent positive integers. And outputs the sum of the two numbers. For example, on input 5 plus 1, 2 should be 17. Meow, 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 meow. Number 1 plus number 2. I need the laughing emoji. Can't laugh like this. Meow. I add it later if I can. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Actually, well, I can't do that in here. I'm pretty sure it's a string. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, good luck with your coloring techniques. I am tired of living. See? Bye. Chat is disrupting my train of thought. Hmm. Well, I guess we don't need to do anything with this. We just need to convert it to not a string. Um, um invalid literal for int with base 10. Hmm. 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 Okay, we're cooking. We're cooking now. I don't think this is the right way to. I don't think this is the right way to solve this. Like, I literally can't think of anything else. What am I gonna do? This is all I can think of. Leave me alone. It worked. It worked. I don't think that's the solution they were looking for, though. If it works, it works. No, but I don't want. Leave me alone. just, just leave me alone. Meow, 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 meow. It does say the input is in that form. Yeah, just let me do my thing. But it doesn't say. I want to see the hints. Oh, they wanted me. So I was thinking about using a loop, but I was really confused, honestly. Use a for loop to find the character, the string, then extract the substrings before and after. Convert them to int and add them. I was thinking about doing that, but then I stopped myself because I thought that was too complicated. Oh no! I shouldn't have looked at this one. Although it is possible to use for character in S to search for the plus sign, it is difficult to extract the substrings with that approach. What we recommend instead is to use a numeric for loop. For position in range, which will make it more straightforward. Well, how does that work? Let me think. Anyway, I don't want help. I don't want help or advice, so please leave me alone. Meow, meow, meow. don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Because we don't want we don't want just random numbers. We want those the range as an index, I think. Let me see. Although it's possible to search for the plus sign, it is difficult to extract the substrings with that approach. I don't get it. 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 Don't get it. I don't get it. They're saying that. They're saying that we did this already. I don't think we did this before. I don't think we did that before. Okay, kitty cat, don't stress out. Don't stress out. It's okay. I'm stressing out already. I feel really tense. So yeah. No. It sounds like a cope, but it's true. Like, learning publicly is really hard. It exposes, my mistakes. And I don't want to be backseated. I really don't want to be backseated. So I would say if you have something better to do, go do that instead and leave me alone, please. I want to be alone with my thoughts. But I like to stream because it helps me stay accountable instead of doom scrolling on Reddit all day. Mm, No. Um. 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 I don't know how to do this. Valid syntax. Shit. Shit. I don't know how to do this. Let's try. Meow. Meow. I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. And could try a pen. Uh-oh. Um. Okay, we could try a pen. My tummy hurts. Meow, 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 meow. My tummy hurts. I take a little break. enjoy. Thank you, Bardum. I feel a little frustrated because I feel like I didn't learn this. I feel like I am missing something. I think I'm missing something. So like, takes a single line of the form number plus number, where both represent positive integers, and outputs the sum of two numbers. I don't want you to use a loop. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't understand why it wants me to use a loop. I can iterate through. Like, I can iterate through this. But what's the use of doing a loop if I'm just gonna split it? Or I think I might be thinking about this incorrectly. Maybe. Um. Hmm. I don't see a need for a loop in that situation. You're overcomplicating it if you're going to use split. Comments Legacy, I'm guessing you weren't here earlier. I already solved the problem using split. I'm not overcomplicating it. I'm saying that on this site it has hints, and in the hint it says use a for loop. So I already solved it earlier just using split without a loop. What I'm challenging myself to do is to try to figure out how they, like, what their solution is, why they suggested using loops, and I'm having trouble. I'm getting upset again. I can't do this. I can't do this. I'm having trouble understanding why they want me to use a for loop. Use a for loop to find the plus character, then extract the substrings before and after. And convert them to int and add them. Baited by chat. I know it happens to me all the time. It happens to me every day. It happens to me literally every day. I'm so bad at this because I'm an emotional person. I'm very immature. Okay. But yeah, the reason why this is green is because I solved it earlier. Wait, let's see. Can I go back? Oops. Can I go forward? Oops. Okay. I think I just had int y. And this works. Yeah, this works. But that's not what I'm doing. I wanna try their method, their weird method. I'm thinking, so they said, I don't know how to do this though. I don't know how to extract the substrings before and after the plus. Use a for loop to find it. If Oh, I think I get it now. So in range. Let's start here. Is that correct? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, yeah, that's 8 characters. Okay. So then what I actually want to do is... What was I thinking? I lost it. If... I think I'm doing this wrong again. I don't understand what it wants me to do. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Um, my brain hurts. Okay. Wait, we're cooking. And then we want to wanna slice it. A is meow from 0 to 4, not including 4. So 0 to... Can we do... Does that work? Ah, it works! Wait! And then B is equal to meow. Oh, my brain hurts. I'm actually going to crash out. From x plus 1 to ling meow. Actually, I don't know if I need to put that in parentheses. Oh god, I'm cooking. This is so much worse. This is so much worse than this. It's actually funny. It's actually funny. But let's use different variables. Let's just use the stick to x and y. And we're gonna call this something else. What do I call it? I'm just call it A. For I in range, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know. Is this what they want from me? I don't know what they want from me. F is plus. This is really terrible. I'm embarrassed. I don't know. I don't know what they want from me. I don't know what they want from me. This is so bad. This is actually really bad. But it works! I don't know. I don't really understand what you're trying to ask me to do there. This is to learn. No, no, no. But this is so it's this remix. It consists of several exercises that combine different skills you learned in previous lessons. I just don't really. I want to see what the heck they did, but I don't know how I could do it. I don't know how I could see their. How could I see their? I don't know how if I could see their solution. I'm really curious, like what they were thinking. What happens if I press this? Well, whatever. I just accept it. That was really gross. I'll just pretend I didn't do that. I'll just, everybody erase your memory. We didn't do that. Let's move on to the next one. Substring counting. Oh, I'm gonna cry. As mentioned in lesson 7a. Oops, I forgot to turn this off. A substring is any consecutive sequence of characters inside another string. The same substring may occur several times inside the same string. For example, assess has the substring SSES 2 times. SSES SS SSES. And trans-Panamanian banana has the substring and 6 times. No. Write a program that takes 2 lines of input. We call the first needle and the second haystack. Print the number of times needle occurs as a substring of haystack. I don't think it means I did a good job, Baratum, because remember I said yesterday, or I don't know if you were there, but there's like, there's speed, readability, and whether or not the code works. So I did get it to work. My speed is terrible, and I think my readability, or what is it called, like the eloquence of the solution. You know, I don't have a good framework or mental model of like which solutions are simpler, or yeah, that's the word, simpler. Because I haven't done enough practice yet, but I did find I found another resource that I want to look at, but I keep switching resources, so I want to finish this one, and then after I finish this one I might check it out. It's called, I think it's called like, what is it, something gently, Python gently. It's a book. Oh, this one, Python programming exercises gently explained. I'm gonna try this one, I think, soon. I should bookmark it. It's free. Okay, thank you for being nice to me. Alright, let's stop dilly-dallying. We need to take in 2 lines of input. The first line is needle. Well, this is 2 lines, right? Is that what it means? Print the number of times needles occurs as a substring of haystack. I don't remember how to do this. They said I learned this in 7A. I don't remember learning this. I literally just finished 7A yesterday. Manipulating strings as sequences of characters. Okay. Finding the number of characters in a string with length. Okay, I remember that. Cutting strings, I remember that. Pasting strings, or concatenating strings. Dilly-dally, great turn of phrase. I'm impressed at how well your long-term commitment to this is going. My own programming learning goes in tiny chunks spread out by months. Yeah, Mr. Lizard. It's really easy to get distracted in life. It happens to me all the time. But if you can try to commit to a little bit every day forever. It's hard. I'm not the committed type, but I'm trying to change. Okay. Do we have? Yeah, I don't think it, I'm really confused. Why are they lying to me? I feel like they're lying to me. They said, oops, not this one. Substring counting. Okay, I guess Is it ASMR Python? Oh, I hope so. I hope so. Write a program. Print the number of times needle occurs as a substring of haystack. I don't remember. I think they're lying. Wait. Oh, wait, they did it. Okay, they did include it here. Cutting out some parts of a string gives you a substring. Oh, I guess we have to look at the index and then check the index. Oh, my brain hurts. For example, the strings eat and Ted are substrings of repeated. To extract a substring, we use a syntax: first index, tail index. To get the starting index, first index, and ending at tail index -1. Try to figure out the output of the following code before we run it. So my string is weighty. So 1 to 6, starting at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's just gonna be 8. And then magic 3, 3. This one was a trick one. This one doesn't print anything. And then chump 0 to 4. 1, 2. Chum. Wait. Yeah. Stopping before the P. Yeah, 8 and then nothing at chump. Okay, but this doesn't help me. Wait. Let's see. Hmm. I don't know how to do this. I don't understand how to do this. I know the string, you can iterate over the characters in the string. Hmm. don't get it, I don't get it, I don't get it. How do you count substring? Okay, I'm gonna look at... I think I'm gonna look at the hint. I might look at the hint. I don't want to look at the hint. Let's see. I'm gonna go through this list and count each time we get this meow. Do we do range again? I think this is not right though, because it has to be not specific. I don't know how to do this. Okay, let's see what the hint is. I really don't know. Along with using substrings and a loop, a key tool. This really doesn't help me. Okay, let's try it again. It doesn't tell me anything I didn't already know. What if we look... Let's see. For I in range 0 to length nia, if I is equal to kia 0 was the first. What do we want to do? That's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. We need to check if the next character, but I don't know if we... What if? Skip. No. Break. No. Continue. I don't know how to do this. I is an index number. Oh, I didn't mean 0. I think I meant... Oh, my brain hurts. Wait. F. Yeah. I is equal to this. Print. Yeah. This is... Wait, this might actually... This is not it. This is really not it. But Jack, I think you have the wrong chat. We're not watching the World Cup. We're sad. How was your food? Did you have good food? I'm so hungry. I really want a sandwich. Man. But I can't. I have to stay in this prison. Let's see. So, for I in range, that's 0 to the length of nya. If nya at I, so like 0, 1, 2, blah, 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 through the length of kya, and the length of kya is 4, so that would be starting at, it would be 0, oh, but that doesn't work. Let me think. It would be I plus, so it'd be 0, 2, 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3. If that string is the same as, yeah, then count plus equals 1. Oh fuck, I think I just solved this. I finally get what they're doing. They're more or less making you build some basic built-in functions. I love that. I say something that has nothing to do with what's going on, who I wanted to say, that's a completely different stream. I'm so afraid I'm going to leak some code secrets in one of these streams. Don't do it. She might be cooking, let her cook me. Guys, you're scaring me. Let's just try it. I don't think this is like the right solution, but this solution might actually work. Wait, let me just double check. It takes 2 lines of input and prints the number of times that needle occurs as a substring. I'm gonna cry. What if this works? Let's try it. Let's try it. Needle haystack for high in range. We need the needle. No, we need the haystack. Of the length of the haystack. So we're going to iterate through the indexes of the haystack. And then in there, if the substring if the haystack had some index I through an index that is I plus the length of the substring needle, I'm gonna vomit. This is so bad. So if some substring of haystack is equal to the needle, they just increment the count. I don't think this is what they wanted me to do. I really don't think this is what they wanted me to do at all. Let me just print the count. Please work. Yes, it works. Yes, it works. Wait, it works. Yay, it works. Oh, worst case, it does it. This is how they want it done. As a beginner, yes. As a professional, I would argue, depending on the complexity of other solutions, have some confidence. No, I have no confidence. I can't have confidence because, like, all I can confidently tell you is that this is, like, the ugliest way to solve this. I bet you someone in chat can solve this in 2 lines of code. Maybe 3. Probably 1. It's quite elegant. Oh, well, I have confidence that you can have treats. Well, I feel like it doesn't look super readable. Like, it's not really obvious what's happening. I think this thing is ugly. Range the haystack. I don't know. Maybe it's fine. I would overcomplicated it for performance reasons. No, but I also want to know. I guess I shouldn't cheat. Maybe when I'm done with these. Wait, let's see what this one is. A pendulum. Centering text. Ending time. Character map. Yeah, I think the thing is, I do like this because it wants me to not use... It wants me to not use, like, all the methods because we didn't learn that yet. That's just the shape of a lot of problems. Your implementation is fine. Oh, thank you for being nice to me. Thank you, Baraton. Okay, let's do the next one. Oops, I keep this open. In physics, for a pendulum with length L and an initial angle A, its horizontal displacement x of t at time t is given by the formula x of t is equal to L times cosine A times cosine t times the square root of 9.8 divided by L minus L times cosine A. Why does this look really... This looks like it's missing a parentheses. Wait. It's not, though. This one closes this one, and this one closes this one. Okay, so it's this... Wait. I'm really confused, so... Is it this whole thing minus this whole thing? Write a program which takes 2 lines of input the first line is L, the second line is A, the output should be 10 lines, giving the values of x of 0, x of 1, all the way to x of 9. Okay, for example, if the first line of input is 53.1 and the second line of input is 0.8, then the first line of output is 0.0 and the second is... Where do we get 0? Oh, wait, why do we get 0 again? T. Because T is 0. I don't know why this ends up being 0. 53.1 times cosine of 0.8. T is 1. 9.8, 53.1. Okay, I get it. Oh, this is gonna take me a while. It's fine. We need an import. We need to import math. I don't remember though. Wait, let me go back. Let's go back to the math stuff. Math module. Man, they don't want to let me escape trigonometry. They don't want to let me escape trigonometry. It's not fair. So sine x, cos x, tan, or other trigonometric functions. Python includes such a large number of functions that are organized into groups called modules. The above functions belong to the math module. Before using any functions, you must import them as follows. Math. I don't really like using that, but import math. Okay, whatever. We'll just practice using it that way. If only it was that easy to be good at math, just import math, bro. Delete this comment and enter your cookie. Okay, fine, we do it. Now, I'm gonna take into consideration the feedback I got last time. Also, I'm gonna do it in here first. So, we're gonna import math. And then, let's say, we're gonna set L equal to just need test numbers, but I need them to be... I'll just use the ones from the example. And A is equal to, this is second line, 0.8. Get your totally safe brain implant. Download stuff into your brain. And let the government and Microsoft always watch all of your thoughts. Let's see. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Yep, L and A. Okay, how about this? First, I'm gonna do it the ugly way, and then I'll try to clean it up after. Because my brain doesn't work the other way. Do I need X for something? X equals... L times math cos T is not defined. T is equal to 0. Cos is not defined. That's math. Okay. So I know I want to write print round print out x for that's so. Okay, so I will break it up more. The reality of programming, the draft too often becomes a solution until it needs to be changed. The first solution is almost always a draft. There's not a more permanent solution than a temporary one. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let's see. What I want to know is can I do this like this? Or do I have to do a different line for each? Okay, I think I could do that. Okay. Now I want to break apart this behemoth of a formula. X equals L times meow. I think that's still too much. Come back to this. I feel weird naming these. I don't know how to name them. Okay. So the innerest part. Oh, we're not gonna have it like this. It's gonna print. Okay, this will be in there for in range. Let me think about this. Starting at 0 up to 9. So that's 10. know how to do this. I don't know how I want to do this. Hmm. Meow, 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 meow. I'm reading the docs. What are you doing, Kuronako? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Stop making fun of me. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. We're not fine. I'm crashing out. I'm not fine. I'm not fine. So what I want to do, because I was criticized before for making a one-liner that worked, but what I don't understand is what the like what the standard is. Is it arbitrary? If you're gonna split up a complicated formula for